In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to refund Genesis crystals in Genshin Impact. In general, this is quite a complicated subject because if you go over to the shop, you won't find an option to directly request a refund inside of the game. So after you make a purchase inside of the game of any value for Genesis crystals, that purchase is final. Of course, you can click on the option here, Customer Service, and talk to them. So in general, refunding is possible, but you will have to go through external venues. So primarily the customer support for Genshin Impact, or alternatively, if you purchased Primogems through another service, for example, through the Apple App Store, you would request your refund through there instead. You can also do a chargeback on your bank, but this is not the recommended way to do it because refunding purchases like Genesis crystals can lead to negative balance. Let's say, for example, you purchased the Genesis crystals, however, you didn't spend them at all. In that case, you are okay to request a refund. But if you spent the Genesis crystals after you request a refund, HoYoverse is going to deduct them from your account. So if you ended up with 0 Primogems and 0 Genesis crystals after you spent it all, they are going to deduct the same amount. So for example, if you purchased 3,200 Genesis crystals and you spent all of them, they are going to deduct that same amount. So you will go into the negatives with minus 3,280. In that case, your account needs to be topped up again to offset because, of course, they want to prevent people committing fraud. With all of that said, if you are confident that you did not spend any amount out of those Genesis crystals, it should be fine to request a refund. If you stay in the negative balance for too long, there is a risk that your account will be banned. So, to keep it simple, go to the service where you bought the Genesis crystals. So if it was directly inside of the game, go to the customer service as you saw and then click on the option here to issue feedback, talk to them, and see what can be done. If you purchased it through the App Store or the Google Play Store, then request a refund through those services instead. And if you are really desperate, you can issue a chargeback through your bank, but that is by far the highest risk option. So I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.